Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and serene meadows, there lived a young woman named Emma. Emma was not born into privilege. Her family struggled to make ends meet. Despite the financial hardships, Emma possessed an unwavering determination to succeed in life. From a young age, Emma harbored dreams of becoming a renowned scientist. The local library became her sanctuary, where she devoured books on physics, chemistry, and biology. Her eyes sparkled with curiosity, and her heart pulsated with the desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. In high school, Emma faced numerous challenges. Limited resources meant outdated textbooks and overcrowded classrooms. However, she refused to let circumstances define her future. Instead, Emma sought out opportunities to expand her knowledge beyond the classroom. She participated in science fairs, conducted experiments in her makeshift home laboratory, and spent countless nights studying under the dim glow of a single desk lamp. As graduation approached, Emma faced a pivotal moment. Her family could not afford to send her to college, and the dream of becoming a scientist seemed to be slipping away. Undeterred, Emma tirelessly applied for scholarships and grants, pouring her heart into every application. Her tenacity paid off when she received a full scholarship to a prestigious university. College life presented its own set of challenges. Emma found herself surrounded by students from privileged backgrounds, equipped with the latest technology and resources. Yet, she refused to be intimidated. Emma immersed herself in her studies, forming study groups and seeking guidance from professors. Her passion for science and tireless work ethic set her apart. During her college years, Emma faced setbacks and failures. Experiments went awry, and there were moments of self-doubt. However, each setback only fueled her determination to succeed. Emma learned to view failures not as obstacles, but as stepping stones on the path to success. Upon graduation, armed with a degree in astrophysics, Emma embarked on a journey to pursue her lifelong dream. She applied for research positions, sent out countless resumes, and networked with professionals in her field. After a series of interviews, Emma secured a position at a cutting-edge research facility. As Emma continued her groundbreaking research, she faced a new set of challenges. The scientific community, while fascinated by her work, was not immune to skepticism and gender biases. Emma, however, refused to be defined by societal expectations. She stood tall in the face of adversity, advocating for equality and diversity in the scientific realm. Recognizing the importance of mentorship, Emma dedicated time to support aspiring scientists, especially women facing similar challenges. She established scholarship programs, organized workshops, and mentored individuals who, like her, dreamt of reaching for the stars. Emma's commitment to fostering inclusivity echoed beyond the laboratory, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape of scientific research. Amidst her professional success, Emma faced a personal crossroads. Balancing the demands of a thriving career with personal relationships proved to be a delicate dance. Emma, however, navigated this challenge with the same precision she applied to her experiments. She formed a strong support network of friends and family, understanding that success in life encompassed not only professional achievements, but also personal fulfillment. As Emma's reputation continued to soar, opportunities for collaboration with international institutions arose. Her research transcended borders, contributing to a global understanding of the cosmos. Emma became a symbol of unity, demonstrating that the pursuit of knowledge knows no boundaries. In the midst of her achievements, Emma remained humble. She returned to her hometown, not as a distant figure of success, but as a beacon of hope for the community that had witnessed her humble beginnings. Emma initiated science outreach programs, providing resources and inspiration to children who, like her, dared to dream beyond their circumstances. In the annals of history, Emma's name became synonymous with resilience and transformative change. Awards and accolades followed, not just for her scientific contributions, but for her commitment to creating a more inclusive and equitable scientific community. Emma's story became a chapter in textbooks, a narrative shared in classrooms, inspiring generations to come. As she looked back on her journey, Emma realized that success was not a solitary pursuit. It was a tapestry woven with the threads of support, determination, and the collective effort of those who believed in her vision. The work was demanding, requiring long hours and unwavering dedication. Emma delved into her research with passion, contributing to groundbreaking discoveries in astrophysics. Her perseverance and innovative thinking caught the attention of leading scientists in the field. Emma's journey from a small town with limited resources to the forefront of astrophysical research became an inspiration. She was invited to speak at conferences, share her experiences with aspiring scientists, and became a role model for those facing adversity. As years passed, Emma's contributions to science continued to grow. Her research not only expanded the boundaries of human knowledge, but also opened doors for future generations. Emma's success in life was not measured solely by her achievements, but by the impact she had on the scientific community and the lives she touched along the way. In the end, Emma's story was not just about overcoming financial hardships or societal expectations. It was a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and passion. Emma proved that success is not confined to those with privilege, but is attainable by anyone willing to pursue their dreams with unwavering commitment. And so, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, Emma's star shone brightly, a beacon of inspiration for dreamers and achievers alike.
Her story was a reminder that success, while often portrayed as an individual triumph, is a shared endeavor that leaves an enduring legacy. In the twilight of her career, Emma continued to explore the mysteries of the universe, passing on the torch to a new generation of scientists. Her legacy was not just a list of scientific achievements but a testament to the transformative power of one person's unwavering belief in the possibility of a dream. And so, the story of Emma, the girl from a small town with big dreams, resonated far beyond the confines of laboratories and lecture halls. It echoed through the cosmos, a narrative of triumph over adversity, a melody of passion and perseverance that inspired others to reach for the stars and, in doing so, discover the limitless potential within themselves. In the latter years of her illustrious career, Emma faced a pivotal choice: to rest on her laurels or to embark on a new frontier of scientific exploration. Ever the adventurer of the mind, she chose the latter. Emma delved into interdisciplinary collaborations, pushing the boundaries of her expertise. Her insatiable curiosity led her to explore the intersection of astrophysics with philosophy, art, and even technology. In a world increasingly shaped by rapid technological advancements, Emma became an advocate for the responsible use of scientific knowledge. She lent her voice to discussions on ethical considerations in scientific research and the societal impact of emerging technologies. Emma's commitment to fostering a thoughtful approach to progress reflected a wisdom acquired through years of navigating the complexities of both science and life. As Emma's influence expanded, she found herself at the forefront of global initiatives addressing pressing challenges such as climate change and sustainable development. Her scientific acumen became a guiding force in shaping policies that aimed not only to unravel the secrets of the cosmos but also to ensure the well-being of the planet and its inhabitants. In the twilight of her career, Emma turned her attention to nurturing the next generation of scientists. She established educational foundations, providing scholarships, mentorship programs, and state-of-the-art laboratories for budding researchers. Emma envisioned a future where every aspiring scientist, regardless of background, could access the tools and support needed to soar to new heights. Her commitment to education extended beyond the boundaries of traditional institutions. Emma embraced digital platforms, leveraging technology to democratize knowledge. Online courses, virtual mentorship programs, and interactive forums became avenues through which Emma shared her wealth of experience with a global audience, breaking down geographical barriers in the pursuit of knowledge. As Emma gracefully transitioned into a role of mentorship and advocacy, she continued to seek balance in her own life. Reflecting on the intricate dance between personal and professional spheres, Emma became an advocate for holistic well-being. She encouraged individuals to find equilibrium, emphasizing the interconnectedness of mental, physical, and emotional health in the pursuit of a fulfilling life. In the closing chapters of Emma's story, the impact of her journey reverberated through the cosmos of human achievement. Her legacy extended beyond scientific breakthroughs, encompassing a holistic approach to success, one that embraced collaboration, ethics, education, and the well-being of both individuals and the planet. And so, as the curtain fell on Emma's remarkable narrative, she stood not just as a symbol of scientific excellence but as a beacon of holistic success. Her story, once that of a girl with a dream, had transformed into a symphony of resilience, innovation, and compassion. Emma's life echoed the profound truth that success, in its fullest expression, is a tapestry woven with threads of purpose, empathy, and the ceaseless pursuit of knowledge.